Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone, for an update of your Friday's conditions. There is a tropical storm that is still located in the Mozambique Channel and is slowly approaching the Madagascar coastline. This tropical storm has been named Chedza and will pass over the island in the next few days, gradually moving further away from the African continent. Closer to home, and a cold front has swept in over the western parts of the country. This has brought a fair amount of rainfall to some parts of the Western Cape early in the day, as well as gusty conditions along the coastline. Gales have already developed along the Eastern Cape coast, while up in the north there's still some moisture in circulation, and we'll see thundershowers developing in that area during the afternoon hours. Now, as the cold front makes its way up the east coast, gale force winds will also spread with it, and along with that, wet weather is expected to develop, while things will be clearing over the far western parts during this afternoon. A couple of thundershowers expected for the Highveld, and by this evening, very wet weather develops over parts of KZN. A look ahead now to Saturday, and as the cold front moves away, a high pressure system ridges behind it. That's going to push in cooler air in across the Lowveld and the escarpment areas. Showers for that region tomorrow, and perhaps even some thunder for Gauteng once again. Western South Africa can expect a sunny start to the weekend, but it's going to be particularly cold overnight for the southern high ground. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for those gale force southwesterly winds which will be making their way up the coastline between Cape St. Francis and Maputo today, and they've also issued a watch for the likelihood that severe thunderstorms may develop over the northwestern interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Now, the rainfall probability map indicates showers are still expected over parts of the Western and Northern Cape. That area will see a fairly rapid clearance during the course of the afternoon. Still a few showers for the Eastern Cape, thunderstorms up in the northern parts becoming scattered over in Mpumalanga, and a very good chance for evening rainfall over the eastern parts of KZN, including Durban and Richards Bay. That area will see northeasterly winds in the afternoon, but by this evening the southwester will be pushing up, and along with that the gales will be settling in during the course of tonight. Behind the cold front, much cooler areas in circulation, temperatures in the lower 20s for much of the Western Cape as well as along the south coast. North and east of this, on the other hand, another hot day expected, 34 degrees for Richards Bay, a pair of 29s for Polokwane and Mbombela. Overnight now, and things are going to be cooling down significantly for the southern parts of the country, 3 degrees in Sutherland and a minimum temperature of 7 degrees for Graaf-Reinet, 12 for Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, but up in the far north it remains warm once again. Durban today will be partly cloudy. There is a chance for a couple of isolated thundershowers this afternoon, but by tonight, with the cold front moving through, gale force southwesterly winds will occur at times, a minimum of 20 overnight, when things will become wet as well. Now for Saturday, and we're expecting thundershowers in Gauteng, Johannesburg at 27 degrees, things clearing up over the Cape provinces. And on Sunday, things will remain fairly cloudy and cool for Mbombela, but the sunshine continues in the west.